Wellbit, the CES token, will stand stronger against sellers when its utility is already active, not just announced. But without the fork, we couldn't list it on our own DEX, and people want action. I don't regret this decision. Yes, we moved fast, but we have a clear vision of how programs will stabilize and the system will align. Many of you already share this confidence. That's why you are not shaken by short-term volatility. What we are building isn't based on speculations, but on a real value. Remember Bitcoin. 2 years ago, it was $20,000, and most of people thought it was time to sell, and now it's $100,000.